my channel. So today's video is going to be a different video. I was watching Bethany Motor's old videos and I was like, I miss old school YouTube where it was like voiceover, doing like DIY decor things. So I'm going to be doing how to organise, spring clean, and some like decor bits that's super easy, super cheap, super affordable and easy to do, to kind of like spruce your room up for spring, and just general like organisational tips. So yeah, if you want to see what I do, then keep watching. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up, and if you're new here, make sure you subscribe. And yeah, let's get on with the video. So the first thing you're going to want to do is make your bed. Just, you know, the biggest part of your room, make it clean, make sure it's all flat this way. I'm not going to get back into it, and I can put things on top of it, and you know, I'm going to like stay on track. Next is clean all of your dirty pots and dirty cups and take them away. Now fairy lights. Fairy lights always add a nice little glimmer to the room, make them look cute, and it just makes a room look better like before it even like gets cleaned. Now playing music is essential for me because if I get bored or I'm just in silence, then I'm not going to do anything, but playing music you can kind of like jam along and it'll keep you going. Next, I'm going to clear all my surfaces and put everything away. So this is my makeup area, so I'm going to put all my makeup away and just make sure everything is away. Now I'm going to put everything on my bed, because by putting everything on my bed, it's not on my floor. I can walk around and I can organise what is clean, what is dirty, what needs to go in the wash, what needs to go in the wardrobe, all that kind of thing, and I have like a clear area. Now I'm going to put my clothes away or in the wash. So I'm going to fold up the things and put it in my drawers, and I'm going to hang up all my things that need going in the wardrobe. Now to deep clean, I have this little box that is actually a Soap & Glory gift set, and I just keep all my cleaning supplies in here so it looks clean and nice and it's not like all ugly packaging. So using old boxes is definitely one of my favourite things. Soap & Glory packages always come in really nice boxes and packaging. So for example, this cake tin, I like to store my cat's food in it just because the cardboard boxes are really ugly, and this is not so ugly and it looks quite cute just on the floor, and she has her own little station now. Then I'm going to reuse decor and like go to charity shops. So here, this is a 99p plate I got from a charity shop, and this is actually a vodka bottle. I thought it was really pretty, I wanted to use it for a vase, and these flowers I got for 99p off eBay, and this pig is literally just from a garden centre somewhere. I thought it was cute. So yeah, a cute little area here, and then just add a candle next to it on a little cork coaster, which looks really, really cute. Now is to hide away your snacks. Again, I'm all about using boxes, reusing boxes. This is a gift box from BeautyBigBang, so I'm just going to put all my snacks in there. This way all the ugly packaging isn't out, and you know, everything's stored away and no one can just see your snacks on the side and steal some. Everyone will just think it's a BeautyBigBang box. Next is to add photos around the room. I have an entire photo wall. This is it, and I just print off photos from Snapfish and put them on my wall, and it's just a nice way to add colour and really personalise your room. Now lastly is for my bedside table. Take everything off it, and I got these like placemats. They're glass placemats from B&M Bargains. So basically I just shove that on there so you don't have to use little coasters. I like having glass tops and everything because it keeps it clean, but I couldn't find glass tops for this, so I'm going to just add this, add a frame with a nice picture in, a reed diffuser to make the room smell nice, lip balm, a ring, just like all my essentials. And then I like to keep my hand creams like seasonal, so that was my Christmas one and now I'm putting in a new one. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below if you are still here, and let me know down below any tips or tricks you have for spring cleaning. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're new, like I said, please subscribe, it would mean the world to me. And yeah, bye!